Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my Partners in Cream update. It is the 10th today, so I don't know when I get it edited and uploaded today, but it's been filmed today. This project was created by myself and DaLin, and it's a year-long project, and all of the details will be down below and the playlist. I'm trying to add everyone's video to the playlist as I see it, and if I sound weird, today is my first video and day wearing makeup since I got Invisalign. So let's just jump into the update. It should be short, it's not like a big one. I feel like I haven't filmed in forever. The first, will I start with my pencil products? I'll start with my two pencil products because I have this little card here. The first one is my MAC lip liner in the shade Whirl. Look how small it is now. I've used it. It says I've used it 16 times in April and once in May. So 17 times, God almighty, I can't talk. 17 times since you've last seen it. 63, let me just mark this, I didn't mark it for today. 63 times in this project. Even though this pencil was in my 20 favourites in 2020, my Partners in Cream in 2021, and now this year. I think this is 19 euros or else it's like 21 euros. And it's a drier formula, which I prefer. It gets a good crisp line and it lasts a really long time. So I really love these MAC pencils, so I don't mind that it's taken forever, but I've used it 63 times in 2022 so far and it's still going strong. I'd say I've used that pencil over 400 times now. But on the piece of paper I went down like quite a bit this time. How many times did I use it the last time? The last time I used it more times. I used it 24 times before that. So I don't know why the jump is bigger now than then, but she's going strong and I'm enjoying using her. And then this other one, this is the Marc Jacobs liner, and I think I rolled this in. Yeah, I rolled this in the last time, so I've only used it 9 times since you've last seen it, and I went down like a bit. I got this one from Elaine and I'm delighted that I get to try another one. I have it on today. I have my makeup on for ages and it's after falling, like, what do you call this? It's after pooling out here and it's more or less gone off my waterline, but it does last longer than the Inglot one. So I don't know, I haven't found a black eyeliner that like works on my eyes, and I didn't think I had particularly watery waterline. But anyway, I've used it this many times. I can now roll this up because there's not a lot left. Now I was using this a lot before I rolled it into the project. Oh my god, yeah. Look, there's not that much left. Would you say that's like 2 months? My routine has changed slightly. So last month I wore makeup 31 times in March, but in April I haven't worn it as much because my routine has changed slightly, so I'm adjusting. So those are the two pencil products. Then our juicier products. So there's 2 products in here. If I forgot to mention, I have 5 products in at any given time, but you can do between 3 and 6, but I really don't think anyone cares. You can do whatever you want. This is the Kosas Cream Blush and Highlighter Duo, and the blush is in for a 20 use goal. I have one product in always as a usage goal because some products I don't want to use 200 times in a row. And the highlighter side is a goal to finish. So I'll show you where I was the last time and I'll show you where I am now. But I went down 0.44 grams this time and I went down 0.79 the last time. So I used less of it this time. Let me just go through the usage. So the blush I've used 8 times and my goal is 20 for the blush. And then the highlighter I've used 65 times since I've rolled it in. And I've used it 20 times in April and 4 times in May and 10 times since you've last seen it. I haven't edited like the footage yet to see if there's much of a difference on that highlighter. My aligners have lipstick on it, so I hope I'm not going to be annoyed when editing. But I said the last time that this is starting to smell really bad, and then everyone was letting me know that this is a clean brand, so their products expire much quicker. So I think, even though I'm already panning a blush to completion in my Team Project pan, when I hit the 20 use goal on this blush, this is going to move into the to finish category. I might not finish it in time, but this smells rancid. Like, it doesn't smell good at all. So I want to try and use as much of it as I can before I just can't use it anymore. It's not having any weird reaction. And I looked it up. I only have this 11 months. So note, if you have this, use it quickly because it's going to die. Okay, so that's that. And then the last product is my Urban Decay priming potion that I got from Elaine. And look how much I've used of this. I use this every time I do my makeup because it's the main one that I use. And I forgot to mark everything for today. I've used it 65 times in this project, 20 times in April and 4 times in May. I mustn't have used it every time in April. But anyway, I've went down this amount. The last time I panned one of these, I think it took me 16 months. I obviously don't mind because they just work really well. I've used 0.27 grams of it this month and 0.89 the last time. So much, much less. I do think this works. My skin is predominantly oily. However, lately I've been really dry here, but oily. So all of my makeup falls off. But my eyeshadow tends to stay on because of this. This works. So I'm happy using it. No rollouts for today. That's, how much am I on the camera? I'm only filming 8 minutes. I think this is a record. But yeah, no rollouts for today. No goals hit. And I kind of think I have really long-term products. So I'd say the next thing I would have to roll out is the Marc Jacobs eyeliner because I am going to move that blush. Actually, yeah, I'm going to move the blush into the finish category. So the next goal will either be the Marc Jacobs liner and a Usage Gold products. But anyway, with that said, that is the end of my update. Check out DaLin's because DaLin is back doing hers now again. So I'm excited to see it now that she's had her little baby and her and Beau. So thank you much for watching and I'll see you the next time. Take care. Bye. Bye.